too terrifying. Steel power, the giant truck moves forward slowly, carrying 45 tons of heavy logs uphill. The massive machine looks unstable and dangerous. Dust rises thick into the air with every movement, and at any moment, the giant logs look like they could roll down onto the road below. A log loader is one of the most important machines in the logging industry. Weighing over 35,000 pounds, this powerful machine can lift massive tree trunks within seconds. Its hydraulic grapple arm, nearly 20 feet long, constantly rotates and clamps down on logs weighing thousands of pounds before placing them precisely onto transport trucks. This machine became trapped deep in the mud, and every movement now looks brutal and exhausting. After hours of struggle, an off-road recovery truck finally arrived to rescue it. The two massive machines battled against the thick mud for hours before finally escaping safely. If you enjoyed this incredible recovery operation, comment 1 and share your thoughts. Wow. It's the same off-road truck again. The way it tears through the mud is absolutely insane, like a wild beast charging forward without getting stuck. The LP49 works in a mud-filled logging yard. Its hydraulic grapple arm, over 30 feet long, constantly swings massive logs weighing thousands of pounds onto trucks without stopping. A powerful engine combined with a high-pressure steel gripping system helps the machine hold giant tree trunks steady even when the terrain shakes violently. building a new road through massive rocky mountains. The 4.5-ton bulldozer slowly climbs the mountainside while its steel blade, nearly 4 meters wide, continuously pushes rocks and dirt aside to clear a path. Its 300 horsepower engine roars across the dangerous terrain as every new meter of road slowly appears in the isolated mountains. A new mining site has just been opened, and these two massive machines are working relentlessly. The excavator, weighing over 80,000 pounds, continuously scoops giant buckets of dirt into the dump truck within seconds. Its long hydraulic arm operates under extremely high oil pressure, allowing the bucket to dig deep into the ground with incredible force. This is a huge challenge for this farm truck. The machine has to carry several tons of logs on the back while driving down an extremely steep slope. In situations like this, even the smallest mistake could lead to disaster. Subscribe now to watch more extreme heavy machinery videos. Have you ever seen massive machines like this in action before? This excavator is working on an open construction site, and every movement it makes looks incredibly powerful. This machine has definitely impressed me already. Let's get started with this powerful tractor. Pulling a massive plow behind it, the machine keeps working across the fields for hours without stopping. If this machine's incredible endurance amazed you, don't forget to comment 1 and let me know. Now let's see how impressive this tractor really is. The K700A Kirovets, a Soviet tractor weighing over 12 tons, uses a powerful V8 diesel engine producing around 220 horsepower. It has enough power to pull gigantic plows through hard soil in a single long pass. Its four-wheel drive system turns slowly but with incredible force, crushing mud and dirt behind it non-stop. Next is the classic tractor backhoe loader. Weighing around 20,000 pounds, this machine combines a front loader bucket and a rear digging arm, allowing it to dig, scoop, and move materials within minutes. Its heavy steel bucket continuously lifts massive loads of dirt onto trucks, while the loud engine echoes across the entire work site. This excavator is mining rocks from a riverbed. Weighing nearly 82,000 pounds and powered by an engine producing over 300 horsepower, the giant machine uses a long boom arm and a massive bucket to dig deep underwater. It lifts and dumps tons of rocks onto trucks within minutes while operating in the muddy river water. Pushing away every layer of stubborn rock and dirt to build a road through a small rural area. The bulldozer, weighing over 45,000 pounds, lowers its steel blade nearly 13 feet wide onto the ground. Using the immense force of its 300 horsepower diesel engine, the machine crushes hard rock and dry soil to carve a new road through the remote countryside. Subscribe to the channel to discover more of the world's most powerful and incredible machines.
Я думав, що це так безполезно з'їздити, бо я знаю, якщо Серега застряв, то значить все, він доволі опитний.